also in that. It also includes the Portland area and Jay County until 11:30, and we're looking at a separate tornado warning across DeKalb County, severe thunderstorm warning there as well. Just ending that tornado warning towards the northwestern part of Noble County right now. Still looking at a tornado warning that is across the Steuben County area that is moving towards Branch County, Michigan right now. So lots of warnings across the area. We have had reports of 70-mile-per-hour winds. One of our employees was reporting some of the activity on State Road 30 right outside Columbia City just a few minutes ago, and as her husband was driving on State Road 30, all the cars pulled off, and of course the trucks were still going. Very, very dangerous winds right around 30. That has ended. At least the most dangerous part of the storm there has ended, but right now we're looking right around the Huntertown area. There's where Columbia City is. It looks like that has ended now, but we're still looking at a very strong cell that is just towards the east of Huntertown and just towards the north of Fort Wayne. We're seeing another area of velocity here, just in another area of rotation, which is just around the Thurman area and Sunnybrook Acres that is south of Fort Wayne downtown. You see this skit that shows on the National Weather Service radar exactly what they're looking at. We are pinpointing possibly another area of rotation just to the south of Fort Wayne around Thurman, and that would move up towards the Grabill area as well. We'll get a storm track of that. Once again, that moving at about 70 miles per hour. Grabill, you will see it at about 11:09, 11:22 in Antwerp, Hicksville at 11:24, and Cecil will be seeing that storm at about 11:31. So we are looking at that next area that is starting to come towards the Grabill area. Also, more activity up towards the north as well, around Kendallville and Avila. Looks like the strongest part of one storm passing through Avila, but right now we are looking at some energy that's just towards the south of Avila, possibly another area of rotation south of Avila here, and that is going to head towards the northeast as well, as we are looking at tornado warnings, multiple tornado warnings across the area. That would take it towards Altoona at about 11:05, Garrett at 11:06, and then Corona at 11:07. Auburn, you are going to be seeing this at 11:10, and then around the Steel Dynamics plant in the Butler area, you will see that at about 11:20 this morning. So that is just towards the south of Ashley, and it looks like we are still seeing storms around the Kendallville and Wolcottville area as well. All of this area is under a tornado warning right now. Those go down into the south as the leading edge of those tornadoes now are coming right towards Van Wert and Ohio City, as well as Rockford and Scott right now. Looks like the strongest cell just moving outside of Monroeville. We'll draw a little bit of a wedge here and show you how fast these storms are moving. Remember, we were talking about Ohio City just moving through at 11:08, Van Wert at 11:09, Scott at 11:09, and Haviland is going to be at 11:09 as well. So we'll continue to track these particular storms as they're moving right outside the Van Wert, Ohio area, as well as just east of Bern and around the Portland and Jay County area. Once again, this entire area has a tornado warning out until about 11:30 this morning. Well, we'll keep you up to date with the latest, and once we get some of those storm reports in, we're watching the latest for some of the emergency managers who are out assessing some of these storm reports throughout the morning hours. Once we get some of those, we will be here for that, and of course, continuous coverage not only here, but we will be on at noon with continuous coverage as well, right from the News Channel 15 live Doppler Fury Weather Center. We'll see you in just a couple of minutes.
This has been a severe weather alert from the News Channel 15 live Doppler 15 Weather Center. We now return you to regularly scheduled programming.
Haunted indoor fire.